Traders, to another signal trading update with me, Patrick Munnelly. Want to take a look at some of the US mega cap tech stocks. We're going to today look at Nvidia, Apple, and Microsoft. Starting with Nvidia. On the right hand side here, we have the daily time frame, tracking an equality objective versus the lows seen last October and the swing low at 75. That gives us a 133 upside target. Looking at the interim structure, we have a potential 5-wave structure developing here, and that gives us a 129, 5 equals 1 versus the 117.22 low. So on the left-hand side, we have the intraday hourly time frame, just using a line chart here, no candles, just to clear things up a bit, and so we can see the volume profiles a little clearer. What I'm looking for today in the pre-market, we're going to open just shy of 128. Any pullbacks back into yesterday's volume point of control, 125.60s. Watch for bullish reversal patterns there to engage on the long side, looking for our target zone 132 to 133. And there we'll be watching for momentum divergence for the next interim pullback to develop. And then we can think about a retest of the value area high for this profile back into the 125.30s. Moving to Apple. Apple traded up yesterday into its yearly R1 pivot to 20, and we did see some profit taking as to be expected. Looking at the internal intraday structure, we can see we still have scope for further upside using this last phase of price action from mid-May, so almost a 30-day look back here. We can see a potential 5-wave structure developing here. We're currently pulling back in the pre-market to test the 213, which should act as support. If we do hold there, then we expect some consolidation between 213 and 216. We break 216 to the upside, then I think we can start to think about targeting our 5 equals 1 objective, which would give us a test of 225 on the top side, just ahead of the 161 extension of this last major corrective phase on the daily time frame. And then again, I think we could see another pullback develop, but watching 213 as support, and then through 216 for a 225 target. And last but not least, let's take a look at Microsoft. Microsoft looks like it's breaking out here as well. So with Microsoft, what I'm looking for is we have an equality objective on a weekly time frame versus our swing low at the 309, which gives us a 462 target, which coincides with the top side of this trend channel that we're currently trading in. So how can we get there? Well, today we're opening up in the pre-market, indicative opening of 439. I'd look for any pullbacks into yesterday's volume point of control and the value area low 437. Watch for bullish reversal patterns there to engage on the long side. Next interim upside objective is going to be a move into the psychological 450. Could see some further consolidation there before then setting another base to target the 462 objective. As with both Microsoft and Apple, the breakout points are key levels to track. The 433 is the level for Microsoft, and obviously with Apple, it's back into this 200 level, which actually coincides with the daily trend channel support as well. So any deeper pullbacks, certainly those are areas 433 on Microsoft and the 200, well, 199 to 197 on Apple as areas of interest to re-engage on the long side if we do see a deeper correction develop. As always, traders, plan the trade, trade the plan, and most importantly, manage your risk. Until next time, thanks very much.